Katie here, and welcome to my channel. I could be down with these wings for life. Jelly. Hey, I hope that y'all are doing well today. I'm doing pretty alright. Pretty good. Just, getting bored of doing hair over and over again. And I'm trying to keep myself to this 365 hairstyle challenge, I guess, no, I'm not doing that well. I want to stay positive, right? We're almost at hairstyle 100. Last video, we ended at 97. It's probably going to be this next video, and that thinking is what's keeping me going forward, right? But at the same time, there's 268 hairstyles left, and it's almost September. Like, that's what, tomorrow? Oh, it's just, I have so many ideas for other videos I want to create, and I'm proud of myself though. Let me tell you what, I am super proud of myself. Usually in challenges like this that involve 365 whatevers, I only get to about February, and technically we're in April, so, I'm proud of myself. I don't know what to do though. Like, a majority of my videos are the hairstyle videos. I have 40 videos right now. This is the 42nd because one of my live streams is also another video, and I don't know if I should delete one or the other, but yeah, that's something that's plaguing my thoughts. You know what else is plaguing my thoughts? Halloween. It's literally right around the corner. We've got 30 plus 31, 61 days, 62 days, and I don't know, I was thinking about being a clown, right, or being a fairy, because that was something I wanted to do. I have the stuff for that. I just didn't get to dress up as a fairy the year that I wanted to, so I have the wings, and I obviously have glitter. I've worn it in like 500 videos. So there's that. I'm also thinking that maybe I want a little bit of a shock factor, something maybe a little more grungy and actually scary, which, I could do a pixie, find a way to do sharp teeth, but then at the same time with my job, which usually we dress up, we're allowed to dress up, and I don't want to be scaring any kids away and the parents be like, oh, it was wild. That's definitely getting bleeped out. But, oh, they wild. I'm not going to, order here anymore. So, that's a thought. If y'all have any ideas, like, what do you want to dress up for Halloween? Have you started even thinking about that? Usually, I start the day after, and then I forget about it until January, and then it's just, it's something that I think about. Maybe I can work in a mask with it. That would be pretty cool. Some sort of masked character. The Purge or something. Or, yeah, that's a good 2020 Halloween costume right there. Mask and everything. I haven't even seen The Purge. So there's that. But, yeah. Man, talk about masks. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, you can definitely see. I have acne all over my face, which is in a common area for me to have acne almost year-round because of hormones and stuff, but because of the masks, I wear them every day. It's not that bad because they're fabric. I wash them and I spray Lysol on them and all of this stuff, so they're clean, but my face is constantly getting rubbed and I'm sweating, and so it's just like, ooh, grossness is getting in my pores, and I feel like my face is a teenager again, and there's nothing that can be done about it. But yeah, it's a Pizza's here! Y'all, I'm so excited about this. Domino's recently got a whole bunch of different stuff. They've got like honey barbecue wings. They changed the thing to have barbecue or honey in it or whatever. And they added a new flavor, which is what I have right here. It's garlic parmesan. And then, I think it was a week ago, they added a taco chicken pizza and a hamburger pizza to their pizza specialties and split down the middle right here. This just turned into a MukBang, y'all.
Look at these beauties. They are just so beautiful.
Yep.
I'm excited to eat them. They have a garlic parmesan sauce on them. I got extra sauce and ooh, buddy, just look at those. I also got myself this large hand-tossed pizza. In one corner, we have the chicken taco pizza with the chicken and the taco and the tomatoes. Oh my gosh, it's looking so good. My mouth is watering. But in the other corner, we have the OG cheeseburger pizza, also with tomatoes, has beef, probably some sort of sauce on it, and oh my gosh, just look at those two glisten.
Looks pretty great, right? I'm excited. First, I'm gonna start with the wings, okay? But I had to change so that I don't get my new hoodie all messed up, because quite frankly, I don't want to get it messed up. Good reasoning, right? Okay, so I'm gonna start with the wings because quite frankly, I already ate one. I had to calm my dog down before I sat down to eat, and that took quite a while. When you take a look at the cold wings, and now I got extra sauce on this, right? Keep this in mind. And they look all right. There's some areas that look questionable. You know, I don't think these are good looking when they're cold. The rest of them, beautiful Domino's wings, gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure I coat all of them. Like I said, I got extra sauce because sauce. Sure got napkins. That's good. You can definitely taste the garlic. With the Parmesan's there, it's more of like a good Alfredo type flavor. It's a bit of a weird texture though when it's cold. I didn't get that when I ate the first wing hot, but you know, I think they changed their wing formula too. They seem more breaded. It's good. I'm here for it. That is for sure. I don't know what else there is to say about this, but they're dang good. You know, I'm trying to figure out like what the seasoning is in there. It's got like green specks in it. Can you see it? Right there. But I don't know if I taste it. It might be like parsley or something. My dog wants some, that's for sure. Before I fill up on wings, I'd like to at least try a bite of both these pizzas. A little bit of a palate cleanser. And nothing better than homemade raspberry limeade. Whew. Okay, well, maybe there is something better. And it's a Domino's pizza. So, I don't know where to start. Chicken pizza. Okay. So this one is cold, like I said. Look at that. Don't look good. Is this good cold? Oh my goodness. It's really got that taco taste, like the chili and like maybe, I want to say cumin maybe? I don't know. It must be, they have like seasoning, looks like maybe it's like a seasoning right there. I don't know. This doesn't have garlic butter on it though, but does this pizza need it? No. It does not. And it's got like the seasoned grilled chicken on top, and with the seasonings it just, I think I might need a siesta after this, because I'm about to eat half of this pizza. It was so good. Cheeseburger side next. It looks a little different, so I taste it. Got barbecue? I don't know. Can you see that right there? It tastes like a burger, actually. So that's strange. I wonder what it is. But hold up, that tastes like a burger. Okay, but the sauce they have on here, super salty. Like, I don't know, but it's gotta be some sort of like seasoned ketchup thing they got on the sauce, because it tastes like the ketchup you get on top of a meatloaf, right? I'm gonna look this up. Y'all, can you see that? It's a ketchup, mustard, seasoning sauce. And it's got American cheese, beef, fresh onions. You cannot eat this. It's got onions in it. Sorry. My poor dog really wants to have some of this. Diced tomatoes, shredded provolone, and cheddar cheese. Okay, so the chicken pizza has American cheese, cheddar cheese, provolone cheese. It has a taco seasoning, grilled chicken, fresh onions, green peppers, and diced tomatoes. That taco seasoning. Okay, so the outside of mine where like it was more crust, where the the toppings meet the crust right there. There wasn't sauce. And I gotta say the sauce adds to it. It is good with the sauce on it, but I don't know if I think I might get light sauce next time because it's just that salty. Like, salty. Is this how to do a proper mukbang? Can you see that sauce? It's really familiar. I want to say it tastes like the meatloaf ketchup, like that's on top of meatloaf, but that's not it, which is makes sense because it's got mustard in it. It has a nostalgic taste, and I can't put my finger on it, right? It's like, am I experiencing umami? Next time I might get extra tomatoes on this, though. That was a good bite. I definitely wish there was more onions and green pepper on it, though. I only see like, this is literally probably the only little bit of green pepper I see. I tasted an onion earlier. Maybe, no, that's chicken. Oh, yeah. There's an onion right there. But I don't know, maybe I'll get more. They're both kind of under the cheese, so maybe that's just, they're just all underneath all the cheese. These wings, though, they're some good wings. Anyways, I've got to take care of this guy. I hope that you all have a beautiful time wherever you're at, and stop. Anyways, bye.